Ever found yourself scrolling through your phone, planning that dream trip to Southeast Asia, and then a thought hits you, wait, can I even use GrabPay there? It's a totally valid question, especially with how central Grab has become to daily life in so many countries. We're talking about everything from rides and food delivery to package shipping and even hotel bookings, all within one super app. It's the ultimate convenience when you're navigating a new place. For those of you who might not be familiar, Grab is essentially the Southeast Asian equivalent of Uber and DoorDash rolled into one, and then some. It started as a ride-hailing service in Malaysia back in 2012, and since then, it's exploded across Singapore, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, and Cambodia. Their vision was to solve transportation challenges, but they quickly realized the immense potential to integrate more services, making daily life easier for millions. And a huge part of that integration is GrabPay, their digital wallet that lets you pay for all these services seamlessly. So, back to our burning question, if you're an American, can you jump off the plane and start using GrabPay with your existing U.S. credit cards or bank accounts? The short answer, unfortunately, is generally no, not directly. GrabPay is primarily designed for users with local bank accounts and phone numbers within the countries where Grab operates. This is due to a combination of financial regulations, know your customer, KYC, requirements, and the way their payment systems are integrated with local banking infrastructure. Think about it. When you set up a digital wallet like GrabPay, there are often checks to verify your identity and ensure you're a legitimate user within that specific financial ecosystem. This often involves linking to a local bank account or a locally issued credit/debit card. While you can download the Grab app and even set up an account using your U.S. phone number, the functionality of GrabPay itself will be severely limited. You won't be able to top up your GrabPay wallet using a foreign credit card, and you definitely won't be able to link a U.S. bank account. Now, this doesn't mean you're completely out of luck when it comes to using Grab services. You can still use the Grab app for ride-hailing and food delivery, but you'll need to pay for these services directly with an international credit card that's accepted by Grab. Visa, MasterCard, and sometimes American Express are generally accepted. Just be aware of potential foreign transaction fees from your bank. Another workaround, if you plan on being in Southeast Asia for an extended period, is to consider getting a local SIM card and potentially opening a local bank account if that's feasible for your travel plans. With a local phone number, you might be able to register for a limited GrabPay account, but again, topping it up would still require a local bank account or cash, which can be inconvenient for short-term travelers. For the vast majority of American tourists, the most practical approach is to rely on your international credit cards for Grab services and cash for smaller transactions. Don't worry, Grab is incredibly popular, so most drivers and delivery partners are very familiar with international credit card payments through the app. So, while GrabPay itself might be a no-go for direct American use, the Grab app is still your best friend for navigating Southeast Asia. You just need to adjust your payment method expectations. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.